Hi guys, and welcome to C Sharp Alphabet app. So let's double click on this form. You see that done. Try it again. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start a new project entirely. So let's right click and just select C Sharp. There we go. Close this one. There. Select create new project. And make sure you select Windows Forms application. So Windows in there, and what I'm selecting is going to be the template is Windows Forms application.net. Click on next. Give your project a name, call that alphabet. App 2. Click on create. Okay, I'm going to drag my form that much. So next, I'm going to add the following tools. Let's go for RichTextBox. There we go. And I will also add a button. Come right here. Just grab hold of a button. There. Select both components and come straight here, change the text content to maybe about 68. Click on OK. There we go. So change the name of these to BTN alphabet. That is fine. The text content, let me just change it to alphabet. Come right down, you should be able to see the text right there. Okay, so let's double click on the form first. I want to change some details on the form. I'm going to say this dot. Let's go for the size, and I'm going to accept that for now. Let's copy the size I have on the form right here, grab a hold of that, and come just paste that in here. There, that's the size. The next thing is I want to get it centered. Dot start position. There we go. It's going to be centered. I don't want manual. So let's say dot centered. Center string there. Okay, that's fine. Then next, double click on my button. Inside my button, I'm going to use a for loop. For char ch, that is going to be equals a, then enter a column in there. Then I'm going to say the system must already understand what I'm trying to do, so I'm going to accept that. Then let's finish it off by saying ch plus plus, and come out of here. Let's enter statement block. Inside the statement block, I'm now going to use RichTextBox 1 dot append, and what are we appending in there is going to be my whatever content I have inside the ch. So I'm going to come here and just say let's add backspace and another one there. Come right here and just plot ch, and I'm going to add another backspace or tab. Let's add another tab. There we go, and that's it done. So let's run it now. Yeah, that's fine. Run. Now click on this. There we go. Look at that, guys. Right. So let's kind of like make it look a little bit more better. Come right here and just pull it down a little bit. And that will be all. That's how you create your own alphabet app. Bring it down a little bit and bring this down. Run. That's just a quick tutorial for those of you who are learning and understanding the use of the loop, using the for loop. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this brief tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.